If you want to turn off restrictions on iPhone family sharing, okay, you have to have the family organizer or parent role right here. These controls are managed through screen time, and you're probably going to want to change them from your own iPhone ahead. Oh, great. Let me help break down everything step by step. First, what you're going to want to do is disable all restrictions for a family member. Go ahead and open the Settings app over here. Tap Screen Time and scroll down a bit to the Family section. Tap the child's name that you would like to manage. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and toggle it off. Enter the screen time passcode if asked. Check that restrictions are already turned off on that iPhone. Now, if you don't want to turn everything off and would like to keep some limits, you can disable specific restrictions instead. Go ahead and stay inside screen time for the child. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then iTunes and App Store purchases. Set installing apps and deleting apps to allow. This helps make up a more adequate setup without removing all controls. Next, look for web restrictions. Go ahead and tap Store, Web, Siri and Game Center, then tap Web Content. Select Unrestricted Access to remove website blocks. This would allow full browsing access on the child's iPhone. If calls or apps are limited by time, you're going to have to adjust downtime and app limits. Go back to the child's screen time menu. Tap Downtime and toggle it off. Tap App Limits and remove any limits that are set. This will help keep the phone usable at all times. Now, let's talk about Ask to Buy. If the child has to ask for every download, you can turn that off too. Go ahead and open Settings and tap Family or your name, and then Family Sharing. Tap the family member's name. Tap Ask to Buy and toggle it off. This removes the demand for approval on purchases, even if the apps are cheap. Oh, great. But if you forgot the screen time passcode, don't worry. Go ahead and open Settings and tap Screen Time. Tap Change Screen Time Passcode twice. Tap Forgot Passcode and enter the Apple ID and password used to set up screen time. From here, you can reset the passcode and make out the changes you need. Anyways, make sure both iPhones are updated to the latest iOS version. Outdated software can stop changes from syncing properly between family members. Keep everything linked up and bright smart for the best results. That's the full breakdown to help you turn off restrictions in iPhone family sharing. Go after the option that fits your situation. And if you have any other questions, ask if required.